Patty, rare, that's the best. I'm not gonna put the two videos together, so this will be box number 2. I will put it sometime during the Olympics. We did one box. Autographs was okay. You guys can decide when you guys see it. So here's number 2. Thought we'll do it for the whole Olympic thing while the Olympics are going on. So this is good. Let you guys know the other box we did get autographs of a swimmer, male swimmer, and a female gymnast. So guarantee 2 autos, guarantee 1 relic. Because I've already opened up one box, I won't go slow on this one. It's just gonna go look for those cards. And of course, the numbers is on the front, so it's easier to find. So we're gonna do this a little quicker. Just find out 2 hits. And this is good just for, you know, it is Olympics right now. It is going on at this moment. They just brought out these cards, I think, last week. And so it'll be fun. And after this box, I am gonna stop. I did one box, and I decided, you know what, didn't get anything great. Might still do 2 boxes, and call it done. So right now we have got no autographs, no numbers, no nothing yet. We are. Okay, I think I see an autograph on this one right now. No, I thought it was. With a number card. Out of 25, a skateboarder. A number card of Stess. Hey, we haven't come across nothing yet. Still, oh, we got our relic, which is Crozon swimming. So got the 1 relic card. Now this is going to be the 2 autos. Another number card. Another skateboarder. Number card. A lot of Kate Linux cards, just nice looking cards. Still trying to find an auto. Nope, nothing on this one, no numbers, nope. Where this one goes. Still no number cards. Well, here's our auto. There's Shinali's Parallel Basketball, so Paralympics, 99. So, as these boxes also have Paralympic autographs too, guys. So let's see. There should be one more auto. Haley Hernandez out of 50. Team USA, she's part of the gymnastics team. I'm not sure which one she is. 1984. Autograph variation. What does that mean, that she was in the 84? Not sure. Not sure. We'll look this one up later. Alright, you guys, that is it on the autographs. Well, 2 more packs to go.
It might be good.
That one might be. Not sure. I mean, America always does well on the Olympics. Oh. Number.
Nah, I just let him. I just go for autographs, especially rookie.
Yeah, number. Alright, you guys, we are done. And Betty, say bye. Bye.